Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and preparing ingredients: 2 Oz cognac, 1 Oz orange liqueur, and 0.75 Oz fresh lemon juice. Once you have those, rim the coupe by moistening the edge with the lemon wedge and dipping it into sugar. This adds balance and texture. Make sure to add plenty of ice to your shaker so the drink chills quickly. Combine the spirits and juice in the shaker now. Do not dilute prematurely. The first action is to get everything cold and measured precisely. You shake to marry flavors and control dilution. Add the measured cognac, orange liqueur, and lemon juice to the ice-filled shaker, then seal it. Once sealed, shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. This chills and aerates the cocktail while hitting the right dilution point. Make sure to watch for a frosty exterior on the shaker. That's your cue. After shaking, double strain into the chilled coupe to remove tiny ice shards and pulp, ensuring a silky texture and clean presentation. You finish with a lemon twist. Express the oils over the cocktail and drop it in for aroma. Once poured, taste briefly. Your sidecar should be bright, balanced, and slightly sweet from the sugar rim. Make sure to serve immediately because temperature matters for texture and aroma. If your drink tastes too sour, add 0.25 Oz simple syrup and stir gently. If it seems flat, replace the lemon with a fresher one and retry. Remember, small adjustments fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.